Welcome to The Bottom Line, a podcast by upGrad KnowledgeHut, where we explore how business agility, transformation, and innovation fuel outcomes at scale. I'm your host, Christabel Singh, and I'll be speaking with transformation leaders about Agile at scale, enterprise change, emerging technologies, and what it all means for your bottom line. Our goal is simple: to cut through the buzzwords, focus on what really works, and leave you with insights that you can act on. So let's get started. Welcome to The Bottom Line, the podcast where we break down how business agility and lean agile transformations are reshaping enterprises worldwide. I'm your host, Christabel Singh, and today we're diving deep into a crucial question. How does agile transformation accelerate go-to-market in the complex worlds of banking and technology? Now, to help us unpack this, I am joined by Vivek Agarwal, Head Strategic Partnerships at upGrad, and an expert in scaling agile transformations tied directly to business outcomes. Vivek, thank you for being here. Now, Vivek, many leaders tell me that speed to market is their biggest challenge, especially when they're looking at regulated sectors like banking, fast evolving tech landscapes. Can you set the stage for why agile transformation is a game changer in accelerating go to market?
Absolutely, Krish. In today's environment, the pressure to innovate quickly isn't just about beating competitors, it's about survival. Banking faces regulatory hurdles, security concerns, legacy systems, while tech companies grapple with rapid customer expectations and continuous innovation cycles. Agile fundamentally changes the way work happens, from rigid waterfall approaches to iterative customer centric delivery. This means faster feedback, quicker pivots, and accelerating the pace at which products and services reach the market.
That makes a lot of sense, Vivek. At upGrad KnowledgeHut, our enterprise playbook emphasizes outcomes over just following frameworks as well. Now, how does our approach specifically drive faster go to market, especially for industries like banking and tech?
Great question. We start by partnering with leadership to align transformation efforts tightly with business goals. Whether that's reducing time to market by a specific percentage or increasing product launch frequency. Our playbook isn't just about training teams, it's about embedding agile into the fabric of the organization, breaking down silos, establishing lead portfolio management, and enabling real time decision making. For banking clients, it's about managing compliance while accelerating digital product releases. For tech companies, it's ensuring rapid iteration without sacrificing quality or security. We also leverage emerging technologies like AI driven analytics to enable data informed prioritization, so teams are always working on what drives the value most.
Right. Can you walk us through a real world example where agile transformation actually led to tangible acceleration in go to market?
Sure. One of our banking clients tasked us with transforming their mortgage application platform, which traditionally took weeks to enhance due to heavy interdepartmental handoffs and regulatory reviews. Through agile release, trains, and a lean portfolio approach, we restructured their delivery cadence into 2 week sprints with integrated compliance officer on teams. This allowed teams to push incremental features every sprint, reducing cycle time by 40%, and they launched a new digital mortgage product ahead of schedule, gaining a key advantage in a highly competitive lending market. In tech, we worked with a SaaS provider struggling with customer churn due to slow feature delivery. After adopting safe and lean budgeting, teams not only accelerated releases by 30%, but also improved customer satisfaction scores, aligning innovation with users' need far more closely.
Right. Thank you for that. Now, transformation is never easy. What are some challenges enterprises face, specifically again talking about the banking and tech sectors, when trying to accelerate go to market through Agile? How does upGrad KnowledgeHut's approach really help overcome these?
Sure. One of the biggest hurdles is mindset. Executives and teams are often used to command and control or waterfall methods which don't mesh well with Agile's iterative pace. Also, legacy systems in banking can slow down automation and foster integration. We tackle this by focusing on culture, investing in leadership coaching, creating cross-functional teams, and driving transparency through matrices, while also layering technology modernization into the playbook. Another challenge is balancing speed with regulatory compliance or security in tech. Our approach trains teams not only in agile but also in governance and risk management frameworks that keep speed from sacrificing quality or safety.
Now, to get into a forward looking question, how do you see agile evolution, especially with emerging technologies like AI, further accelerating this go to market?
Sure, AI is transforming agile delivery in multiple ways, from smarter demand forecasting, automated testing, to data driven decision making that reduces guesswork. It's also enabling more personalized customer experiences in banking and tech. As enterprises mature in Agile, combining this with AI and cloud native technologies will amplify their ability to iterate faster, scale delivery safely, and open new market opportunities. At upGrad KnowledgeHut, we help clients prepare their people and processes for future ready agility so they don't just keep pace but also stay ahead in curve.
Vivek, thank you. This has been a most insightful conversation. Thank you for sharing your expertise on how agile transformation drives faster go to market in these critical industries. Any final advice do you have for leaders considering this journey?
Sure thing. First and foremost is focus on business outcomes first. Agile is a means to an end, not the end itself. Second most important thing is invest in culture, leadership, and the right partnership. And don't underestimate the value of continuous learning and adaptation. It's a marathon and not a sprint.
Well said, Vivek. And thank you to our listeners for tuning into The Bottom Line. If you want to learn more, visit us at www.knowledgehut.com and connect with us at the upcoming SAFE Summit in Denver. Until next time, stay agile and keep innovating.